Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Vaman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall discuss with you inequality of triangle. Inequality of triangle, chapter 15, properties of triangle. Students, I draw a figure of triangle. ABC be a triangle. ABC be a triangle. The opposite side of vertex A is denoted by a small a. The opposite side of vertex C is denoted by a small b. The opposite side of vertex C is AB denoted by a small c. The opposite side of vertex A is BC denoted by A. The opposite side of vertex B is AC denoted by a small b. And the opposite side of vertex C is AB denoted by a small c. Students, result first. The sum of any two sides, the sum of any two sides of a triangle, the sum of any two sides of a triangle is is greater than the third side, greater than the third side, such that AB plus BC greater than AC, AC plus BC greater than AB, AB plus AC greater than BC. First result is the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Result 2. Result 2. The difference of any two sides, the difference of any two sides of a triangle is less than the third side, is less than the third side, such that AB minus BC less than AC, AC minus BC less than AB, and AB minus AC less than BC. Understand and write it. Students, now I shall solve exercise 15C of chapter 15, properties of triangle. one question is written here. Question number 2. Two sides of a triangle are 5 cm and 9 cm. 5 cm and 9 cm. Two sides of a triangle are 5 cm and 9 cm long. What can be the length of its third sides? Students, two sides of a triangle, the sum of the sum of two sides equal to 5 cm plus 9 cm equal to 14 cm. We know that y inequality property of triangle, inequality property of triangle, the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So therefore, by inequality property of triangle, by inequality property of triangle, the length of third side, the length of third side, the length of third side of triangle is less than 14 cm, less than 14 cm answer, because the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So third side is less than 14 cm. Understand and write it. Now next question is question number 4, written on this board. In this question, AM is a median of triangle ABC. AM is the median of triangle ABC. We know that median divide the sides of triangle into two equal parts. So BM equal to MC. Prove that AB plus BC plus CA greater than 2AM. Students, in triangle ABM, in triangle ABM, AB plus BM, AB plus BM greater than AM, AB plus BM greater than AM by inequality property of triangle, IPT, inequality property of triangle. Equation 1. Now in triangle ACM, in triangle ACM, this triangle, first side MC plus CA, MC plus CA greater than AM by inequality property of triangle. Equation 2. From equation 1 plus equation 2. From equation 1 plus 2. Equation 1 and 2 at AB plus BM plus MC plus CA greater than AM plus AM. That implies AB plus BM plus MC. BM plus MC equal to BC. BM plus MC equal to BC plus CA greater than AM plus AM 2AM. 2AM proved. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 6. In this question, ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Prove that AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD. AC and BD are diagonals of this quadrilateral. So it's divided into 4 triangles. First of all, take in proof. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, AB plus BC greater than AC by inequality property of triangle. Equation 1. Now in triangle ACD, CD plus DA greater than AC. It is also by inequality property of triangle. Equation 2. In triangle ABD, for diagonal BD, in triangle ABD, AB plus DA, AB plus DA greater than BD by inequality property of triangle. Equation 3. Now for diagonal BD by triangle BCD, in triangle BCD, BC plus CD, BC plus CD greater than BD by inequality property of triangle. Equation 4. From equation first plus second plus third plus fourth. Add all equation AB plus BC plus CD plus DA plus AB plus DA AB plus DA in fourth equation BC plus CD plus BC plus CD greater than AC plus BD plus BD. AC plus AC plus BD plus BD. Students, that implies AB plus AB, 2AB, so common 2. BC plus BC, 2BC, common 2. CD plus CD, 2CD, common 2. And DA plus DA, common 2. So AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus AC, 2AC, common 2, and BD plus BD, 2BD, common BD, so AC plus BD. 2 and 2 is cancelled. That implies AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD. Proved. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 15C. Thank you. That's all.